Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me for math again today. I hope you're having a terrific Thursday. Our week is almost over. I think you're going to like what we're doing today. It's meant to be hands-on. And yeah, we'll review our LEQ first, and then I'll explain what your job is going to be today. So let's take a look. It says, how can we describe and compare the capacity of two containers? So remember, when we describe something, it means we have to talk about it. And when we're comparing two things right now, you're going to either say that it is more or less. And when we talk about capacity, they want to know how much. How much can it hold? And then remember, our containers are things that you can fill something inside. So I said a good way to think about it is, can you put water in it? So I'm going to read it again, and then I want you to read it with me. Ready? Listening. How can we describe and compare the capacity of two containers? Okay, read it again. Here we go. This time you're reading it with me. Ready? Go. How can we describe and compare the capacity of two containers? Nice job, my friends. So that's what we're going to do today. But we're not just going to do two containers. We're going to do as many containers as you want to try. So I have my cup of water. You're going to need your starting cup of water and then some containers so you can compare how that water looks in different containers. So I brought my favorite little cup. I brought a small bowl, a large bowl, a glass cup, and look, I even brought a baggie. I bet you wouldn't have thought of a baggie as a container, but it can be. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pour the same amount of water from this cup into each container so we can see how the capacity looks different based on the size of the cups. Because like these two cups, this one looks so much bigger because it's so much taller, but maybe the capacity is the same. I don't know. So usually I would do this like on my kitchen sink and somewhere where it's okay to spill water, where you could see it better. But because I have to film it on my computer, this is really the only place I can do it where you can see everything. So I'm just gonna hold it up to the camera. That way we can compare. Sound like a plan? Okay, thanks guys. So here's my cup of water. I filled it all the way to the line that says 1 cup. Do you remember our video from, I think it was on Monday or Tuesday, where they had the different size containers and then measured it in the cups? That's kind of like what we're doing. So let's see. I'll start with our bowl. Do you think all of this water will fit in the small bowl? Only one way to find out. Ready? Yeah, look. So even though the cup is much taller, the capacity could be about the same. You see there's still room in the bowl to hold more water too? Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna pour this water back into my cup. That way it'll be easier for me to pour into the new container. Okay, do you think it's all going to fit in my like little cup? You do or you don't? Okay, let's find out. Ready? Wow. This cup looks so small, but look, it still holds the whole cup of water. Whoops, there was a little drop. Okay, let's turn it back over. Okay, should we try the other glass? The fancy glass? Let's see. Do you think this will hold more water or less water than this cup? Let's find out. Oh yeah, look. This cup still has a lot of room where we could hold more water. Okay, I'm gonna pour it back. Ooh. How many cups of water do you think this bowl could hold? I think it could hold maybe 8. Let's see what 1 looks like. Ready? Oh, look how much room is still left in here. Ooh, trying to hold it still so you could see it. Yeah, this bowl could hold a lot more water. Okay, I'm gonna pour it so carefully so it all goes back into our cup. Okay, and then the last one. Do you think all of our water is going to fit in the plastic bag? Yeah, I think so. I think that it's only gonna fill it a little bit. Are you ready? Oh, I just gotta make sure not to drop the bag. Whoa, look how much room our plastic bag still has. We could fill the capacity even more. I wonder, so an experiment you could do is if you have something like this where there's still a lot more room, fill up your cup again. See how many cups of water your baggie can hold or your big bowl. Which one can hold more? Which one can hold less? Okay, I'm gonna pour this water back in the cup so I don't spill my bag. Okay, my friends, so your job today is to explore different capacities with different containers. You can film it, you can take a picture, you can draw and write about it. However you want to show me what you use to measure, you may do that. I can't wait to see your work. Nice job, guys. Bye.